A lot of people think that they have to give so much in terms of what value is. You know, value is aha moments. They are moments where you have some sort of realization. So it's a webinar is a sales experience. And you know, but what I sometimes see people doing is they give away too much. They share too much. They bog their webinar down when, you know what, for a webinar, especially one that has a call to action for getting on a strategy call, 30 minutes, it really should just highlight exactly what you said. Like you just said, you know, oh yeah, and you would lose it all, right? If you go on this one deal, and that's how it used to be, but now it's changed. And that's good for you, right? As an investor, that's good for you. And this is what it is. So you're positioning it, that's what you're positioning. A webinar, again, in this scenario, should be probably more like a video sales letter to a degree, right? That has a little more engagement. You can offer PDFs, you know, something that they can download. But really kind of hybrid the idea of video sales letter and webinar together. And then you have this wonderful 30-minute experience, you know, and that's really what it should be. And then, you know, future pacing, you're going to want to share with them. Like imagine being able to go in, not having to feel like you're losing your shirt when you invest, you know, or feeling confident that you're diversified, right? Like future pacing simply means like that you are. Have you ever heard of future pacing, by the way?
No, I haven't.
Okay. Future pacing is where you kind of do a visualization exercise where you show exactly, like paint the picture of what could be, right? Okay. Imagine in 2 years you've diversified and, you know, and you haven't gone in one project. And with that diversification, now 5 years later, you're getting this net revenue, you know, just so future pacing basically is to get them poised to say, this is the possibility. Right.
Visualizing the world that could be, right? Yeah,
exactly. Because, you know, that's what you're doing. You see something that's possible where other people don't, you know, and that's, you know, you're going to resonate with the people that also see that this is the kind of the evolving, where things are evolving, right?
Yeah.